All right, folks, let's talk about bladed swim jigs and weighted swim jigs. So you can run swim jigs, you know, weightless, weighted, leaf springs, bladed jigs, all different kinds of ways you can rig up swim baits. Today we're going to be talking about the Get Hooked Magic Baits. This is our bladed tungsten screw-in blades here. This is great. Let me pull one out of the package. I'm going to show you guys how to rig it up. This is what it looks like coming out of the package. What I have one of our swim baits right here. So this tutorial, I'm going to rig this up right here. First thing you're going to do, you got this spring right here. Typically, what I like to do, I like to have a toothpick to poke in that top right there, but right now this is fine. Most of the people are just going to take this and screw this in anyway. So get it started there on the top and take that top, and all we're doing is twisting and screw that on in there. Push and screw. And then you want to kind of get that to where it lines up where the hook is going to go on the back side there in that hook slot. See the hook slot right there? So I've got it up there, and you want to kind of get it to where that thing's going to be somewhat straight. You see how it's lined up straight? If I show you on this side right here, how it's lined up straight with the hook. So now you know you got that screwed up in there nice and straight. Now all you're going to do is take this bait and lift up, and then push through that hook slot and have it come straight on down. And this will end up being weightless as well. And now you see that bait there now? It's nice and straight. And then when you're running that through the water and you got that blade down there, it's going to look like schooling fish. Amazing bait to have all year long, folks. Head over to gethookedmagicbaits.com. Hundreds of fishing supplies, tons of hooks of all sizes. Our hooks are quality. They go in the oven up to 5 times. They're carbon fiber steel cut. So every one of these hooks right here are going to be laser sharp. We have all different kinds of hooks online. Here's another one of our hooks that we have. This is one of our extra wide gap hooks. Everything that you need online. Quality. This is a heavy steel because what happens when it goes in and out of the oven up to 5 times, this becomes very strong. It's like a super strong steel. Everything you need online, gethookedmagicbaits.com. When you go to the top, all you're going to do is scroll across. You're going to see terminal tackle, stick baits, fishing apparel, crank baits, jerk baits, whatever you're looking for, hooks, fishing line. When you click on that, it's going to open it up. Let's say you click on stick baits. We have so many stick baits. It might be 3 pages of stick baits. Or if you want to go to hooks, click hooks and go there. You'll see all of our hooks, our fishing line, and so on and so forth. Check us out online. Everything that you need. GetHookedMagicBaits.com. One-stop shop. Be sure to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, Facebook. Our new page we just launched on Facebook. So check us out. Get Hooked Magic Baits. GetHookedMagicBaits.com. It's not about the baits. It's about the magic.